Are you a physician suffering from burnout? I can help you restore your self-esteem 100% naturally. You don't have to suffer any longer from your physician burnout, do you? Of course not. Your ability to make right decisions greatly depends on your well-being. You cannot help your patients because you are not able to help yourself, right? Your brain cells need time to recharge own energy, but you are very busy. Your sympathetic nervous system is overused. As a result, your sleep is poor. You feel constantly angry. You are ready to give up. This is not good. I can help you improve your sleep, restore your wellness and well-being. No chemical pills needed. Do you blame everything and everyone for your physician burnout? Many doctors do this today because of pandemic. Change your mind about it. Stop blaming. You have the power within. Use it. All you need to do is be willing to get well and be ready to move forward. Please understand that your recovering or not recovering depends on your mindset. If you really decided to get well, then you can and will get well. In contrary, if you don't actually want to recover, then nothing and nobody can help you get well. Make a decision to get well and begin reducing your physician burnout. This decision has to be strong enough to move forward. No retreats. Burn the bridge behind you. You have to win. Actually, you have only one choice. Get well. You deserve to be happy and successful. Give yourself permission to restore your wellness. Become a person who enjoys being healthy and strong. Do you need guidance and support? You're welcome to contact me for a free consultation. My name is Alexander Ivlev. As a certified hypnotist, I help people reduce stress.